Hey guys, this is Alex with Dynamic Auto Tune in Charlotte, North Carolina. This week we did an install of a Bavsound audio system in this beautiful Tanzanite Blue M3. Bavsound is the best OEM integrated audio upgrade you can do on BMWs. Here we have two front center mid and tweeters, two front door car mid and tweeters, two rear door car mid and tweeters, one rear shelf mid and tweeter, and two stealth subwoofers underneath the front seats. Installation of the Bavsound upgraded audio for the F80 M3 is fairly straightforward. It's just like removing and replacing any other audio component in the car. There's no tacky grills you have to install, no rewiring you have to do. Everything's plug and play, fits right in. The only thing you have to take care of is your door cards removal, your windshield, and your grills up front because they are a little bit delicate. No problems there. Just a heads up. Everything went smooth, no issues. I definitely recommend it.